All right. Nice job taking the step to put in your name and email and find out more about the Cash Flow Association membership. I'm going to just give you a real quick overview of the membership and what you can expect. We're offering a founding membership right now. And the first thing we'll do in the membership is we'll take inventory on your assets, see what you have as far as income, equity in houses, cars, boats, vacation houses, other things, and we'll find out where your resources are. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to take that income and those resources and we're going to teach you how to be your own bank. Social Security statistics show that out of 100 people, only 5 have a comfortable retirement. The other 95% are either dead or dead broke. So the 5 people are doing something specific. Would you agree with that? So we're going to work on the ninja secret of becoming your own bank. Take control of your money and make sure you get into that top 5% instead of the broke 95%. We're going to talk about ways to take that money from your bank and build it into more money. One of my favorite things to do is put money in the stock market in specific stocks from strong companies that pay dividends, that have paid dividends every year for years and increase their dividends every year. I also like to trade options on the same companies, and it's a very safe way to trade. You'll understand more when I explain it, so don't get the deer in the headlight looks right now. That's why I'm here. The next way we'll look at building money is real estate. I've done about every kind of real estate deal there is. I've done buy and hold, fix and flip. I've put 20% down on finance through the bank. I've done owner carry. I've done no money down. And I've even flipped contracts. So exciting ways to do real estate, and I can help you with all that. There's even some deals that we have right now with the partnership opportunities available for the right people. So we can talk about that. I've been building businesses for many years. So one of the other things we'll look at is how to build or create a business and scale it up. I think I started my first business in 1982 or 83 when I was 16 years old. I've started a pretty good pile of them since then. My wife and I currently have 12 entities, all different companies, and we run these businesses. Some of them have been around for 20 years. So we'll talk about that. And not the last thing, but one of the other things we'll talk about is how to find and acquire existing businesses. And sometimes we can get into those using other people's money, the same money that the business is operating under sometimes will be available to finance the business. So again, no deer in the headlight looks. This is stuff we'll talk about and dig into. So we're offering a special offer right now. The Cash Flow Association membership is $97 a month. When you join that, you'll be a founding member and you'll be grandfathered in at that price. It'll never go up, even as we add more benefits and more bells and whistles and features to the program. You'll always be grandfathered in as long as you don't let your membership expire. We plan on this membership moving up to $9.97 a month eventually as the membership grows. Now, $97 a month is not enough to implement the strategies. You'll need at least another $403, so we're making it $500 flat per month. If you can afford $500 a month without it putting you in the broke house, then you qualify to jump in and explore the Cash Flow Association. If the 500 is a stretch and you can't do it right now, you should probably pass on this offer. If it's not a stretch, I encourage you to not procrastinate. Do it today because tomorrow never comes. And let's get yourself going on your own bank and get yourself headed in the right direction so you're not one of the 95% of the people who are dead or dead broke. Thanks for joining. I look forward to seeing you in the association.